हेलो एवरीवन, जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है टेली ऑन क्लाउड का सबसे बड़ा फ़ायदा है कि आप अपने टेली को कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, वेदर यू आर एट ऑफिस, होम और ऑन द गो। बट क्योंकि आप इसे कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं तो बिजनेस ओनर और एडमिन को हमेशा अनसस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी होने का कंसर्न रहता है, राइट? बट डोंट वरी, टू कीप योर टेली सिक्योर फ्रॉम एनी सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी, Sugam Cloud provides many powerful security features. And in this video, we'll introduce you to one of these key features, that is login alerts. With this alert, you will receive an instant notification every time when someone logs in into your Sugam Cloud account, where you will know who logged in, at what time and from which IP address. This gives you complete control and keep your tele safe from any unauthorized access. Now let us see how you can enable this powerful feature. First, log in as the admin user. In the configuration setting, enable the login alert feature. Once you enable the feature, you will receive a pop-up that login alert enabled. Next, set up the email where you had liked to receive these alerts. Now go to the user management and enable login alerts for specific user. Just select the user you want to monitor and apply the alerts. Once you apply the alert, you will receive a pop-up that login alerts have been successfully added. Now whenever this user login into Sugam Cloud, you will get an email like this. Here, if you find any suspicious, you can take action right away by logging them out directly from the mail. By the way, if you want to completely restrict your tele user from accessing tele outside the premises, you can use our IP restriction feature. I hope this video was useful for you. Enable login alert today and take your Sugam Tele Cloud security to the next level. Thank you.